Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best cocoa butter is probably one of the most sought-after skincare ingredients for its incredible moisturizing and skin-healing properties, and Dr. Palmer's formulation has been a staple in many households for generations, promising deep hydration and a smoother, more even skin tone. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this iconic product a must-have for anyone looking to achieve radiant, healthy-looking skin, exploring its benefits, ingredients, and why it continues to be a top choice for so many. Number 5. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Daily Skin Therapy Lotion. Experience deep, lasting moisture for your dry skin. This lotion is designed to provide daily comfort and relief. Infused with the richness of cocoa butter, it deeply nourishes your skin. Enjoy a soft, supple feel all day long. Perfect for both hands and body, it offers soothing hydration. Keep your skin feeling smooth and revitalized. The easy-to-use pump bottle ensures quick and mess-free application. Get your daily dose of skin therapy effortlessly. Make it a part of your daily routine for healthier-looking skin. It's your go-to for effective skin therapy. This formula is gentle enough for everyday use, yet powerful in its moisturizing effects. It leaves your skin feeling wonderfully cared for. What we like. This is your go-to for everyday intense hydration. Its generous pump makes it easy to use. If you have dry skin and need a reliable daily moisturizer, this is the one for you. What people say. It's a rich and creamy lotion that absorbs well into the skin. It leaves the skin feeling soft and moisturized without being greasy. The scent is a classic cocoa butter smell that many find pleasant. Number 4. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil for Face. Discover the secret to radiant skin with Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. This luxurious oil is designed to deeply moisturize and nourish your face. It's packed with essential vitamins like E and C, known for their skin rejuvenating properties. These powerful antioxidants help protect and brighten your complexion. Experience the benefits of a unique blend of 10 pure facial oils. This carefully curated mix works to improve skin's texture and tone. Enjoy the delicate and soothing scent of rosehip oil. It adds a touch of natural fragrance for a truly pampering experience. Just a few drops can make a significant difference. Achieve smoother, softer, and more luminous skin with consistent use. Incorporate this therapy oil into your daily skincare routine. It's perfect for all skin types seeking a healthy, glowing appearance. What we like. Experience a luxurious facial treatment with this potent oil. It's packed with essential vitamins and a blend of pure oils. If you're looking for a targeted facial moisturizer to enhance skin radiance, consider this option. What people say. It is a rich and thick cream that moisturizes and softens the skin. It helps to reduce the appearance of stretch marks and scars. It has a pleasant cocoa butter scent that is not overpowering. Number 3. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Solid Lotion. Experience deep moisturization with our solid lotion. It's specially formulated to nourish and hydrate even the driest skin. Infused with the richness of cocoa butter and the antioxidant power of vitamin E, this formula provides essential skin therapy. Feel the difference as it works to soften and soothe your skin. It leaves your body feeling smooth and comfortable all day long. Make it a part of your daily routine for consistently healthy-looking skin. It's the perfect solution for everyday skin needs. Enjoy a unique solid lotion format for easy application and portability. It melts into your skin for targeted moisturization. Trust Palmer's to deliver effective skincare solutions. This product offers the reliable quality you expect for your skin's well-being. What we like. This solid lotion offers deep nourishment for the driest skin. It's perfect for on-the-go application. If you suffer from extremely dry skin and need a convenient, long-lasting moisturizer, this solid form is ideal. What people say. This solid cocoa butter lotion is thick, rich, and melts into the skin as you warm it up. It's great for very dry areas and leaves the skin feeling soft and protected without being greasy once it absorbs. Quickly and fully absorbed, not greasy. Smells like chocolate. Totally heals and softens. Works for a long time. Best skin cream for dry skin I have ever used, and I've used many. The solid balm melts into skin in under 2 minutes, no sticky residue, just a soft cocoa scent that doesn't overwhelm. It's thick enough to feel protective on extremely dry patches, but it absorbs cleanly and leaves a supple finish. Number 2. PALMER'S Cocoa Butter Pregnancy Skin Care Kit. Introducing PALMER'S Cocoa Butter Formula Pregnancy Skin Care Kit, your ultimate solution for stretch marks and scars. This dermatologist-approved set is a perfect gift for expecting mothers. Specifically formulated to combat the effects of pregnancy on your skin, it effectively reduces the appearance of stretch marks and scars. Trust in a formula that's been dermatologist-approved for safety and efficacy. It's gentle yet powerful for your delicate skin during this special time. Looking for a thoughtful gift for an expecting mother? This kit is a wonderful way to show you care, providing essential care for her changing body. This comprehensive set includes 4 full-size products, ensuring you have everything you need for a complete skin care routine throughout your pregnancy and beyond. Experience the rich, moisturizing power of cocoa butter. It deeply hydrates and nourishes your skin, promoting elasticity and a healthy glow. What we like. This comprehensive set is designed for expectant mothers. It specifically targets stretch marks and scars. If you are pregnant or looking for a thoughtful gift for a mom-to-be, this kit is a perfect choice. What people say. The formulas are rich but absorb beautifully without feeling greasy. The improvement has been amazing, softer, smoother, and more even-toned skin in just a few weeks. The full-size products make it a great value, and the formula feels rich, moisturizing, and gentle on the skin. Number 1. PALMER'S Cocoa Butter Firming Body Lotion. Introducing PALMER'S Cocoa Butter Formula Firming Butter. It's designed to help improve skin elasticity and tone. Enriched with vitamin E and CoQ10, this lotion provides powerful antioxidant benefits. Specially formulated for postpartum needs, it supports your skin's recovery journey. It contains nourishing shea butter to deeply moisturize and soften your skin. With added collagen and elastin, it helps to promote firmer, smoother-looking skin. This generous 10.6 fluid ounces size ensures you have plenty to enjoy its benefits. What we like. Achieve firmer, smoother skin with this specialized butter. It's formulated for postpartum recovery. If you're seeking to improve skin elasticity and firmness after pregnancy, this blend is highly recommended. What people say. It is a rich, non-greasy lotion that absorbs easily into the skin, leaving it feeling soft and moisturized. The cocoa butter formula is excellent for dry skin, providing long-lasting hydration and improving skin texture. It's great for preventing and reducing the appearance of stretch marks during pregnancy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.